Hello there. Capital One virtual cards are a great way to shop online securely, but did you know you can use them in stores too? Here's how it works. Capital One virtual cards can be added to mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Once it's added, you can tap and pay just like a physical card. To get started, open your Capital One app and go to Capital One's browser extensions, find your virtual card details linked to your credit card. Now open your mobile wallet app, add a new card and manually enter the virtual card, expiration date and CVV. Once your virtual card is in your wallet, just unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal. And that's it. Tap to pay like normal. Some virtual cards are merchant specific, so make sure yours works for general purchases. If not, create a new one through Eno. Now you are all set to use your Capital One virtual card in store, secure, contactless, and easy. Happy shopping!